Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can shuffle Spotify playlist. Let's start it. So, open up Spotify and then log into your account. Once logged in, at the bottom, you'll be able to find your library option. Tap onto it. And just like that, choose any playlist or folder. For example, I'm gonna go ahead and simply choose this one. Tap onto it and then open the playlist. On the right hand side, you'll see a green play button with a tiny shuffle symbol on it. If you press that button, the entire playlist will start playing and shuffle mode will automatically turn on. This is the quickest way to shuffle a playlist. Now, if you tap on the area where the music is currently playing, then here you will be able to find the shuffle icon, two crossed arrows. If the icon is green, it means that the shuffle is enabled. It also means every song on the playlist will keep playing in a random order. And if the shuffle is turned off, you might notice the shuffle icon is no longer green. If you want to turn shuffle back, simply tap onto the shuffle icon and it will turn green again. And Spotify will start shuffling all your songs from next track onward. That's it. That is how you can shuffle music in Spotify. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub and I'll see you in the next one.